Good evening, everyone, or good afternoon. Just a second. I have to share this stream to our premium members. All right, guys. So we are live on YouTube. Just so you know, you can find the link in the bio to join us live and join our trading session. We trade daily. Um, if I don't go live trading, so the signals will be shared in the free Telegram channel and in the Facebook group, The Real World. So today we are trading between two zones. And this is, I'm talking about gold. So between 2670 and 2650 basically. For the last 2-3 days, the price was just bouncing between these two areas. Um, we have relatively low volume today due to some holidays in some markets. So this will be on the 9th. There will be another one on 20 and 27 as well. Those days where you have a little bit low volume, so the market will be consolidating a little bit. It will not be active as usual, but we can get like a quick scalp. Right now we are in active trade. We took a sell between 66 and 68 with the stop loss at 2670 and running in profit so far almost 30 pips. You move your stop loss to break even. So this is already a risk-free trade. So you gotta pay attention to the sessions, like the opening of the session and the closing of the session each session. The Asian session usually it mark a little bit of during the Sydney session, the price action usually move a little bit down, go up, uh, and Tokyo will be a little bit eating the liquidity of the previous session, and then with the opening of London session, the price shoot up. So even and causing breakout, of course. So we have a breakout at 64. Even if the price is let's say you have a bullish momentum and you expect the price to go up, you can still scalp. So that's why we took sell here in this area, in this zone, because you can still scalp, because the price action, it doesn't go on like a straight line. It has to be um zigzag, you can say. So it will test the breakout, might go a little bit below that, and you can measure that with Fibonacci, and then you can see that here to here, let's say the low of the day. So you go to the swing low, and the swing low is the low which caused that breakout. That's where you measure. So it will go to the 50% of the golden zone between 2660 and 2658. From there, we might see a rejection, and then we can have like a buy limit in this area, or you wait for rejection and confirmation on the 1 minute and let it change character. If you want to risk, you can have a buy limit just from the golden zone and just using the Fibonacci itself. But to be more in the safe side, um, why do we take first of all this buy? You have two things here. First, a breakout happen, which indicate a bullish momentum. It means the market might go higher, even break and target previous liquidity from the like previous day, which is 2670 exactly, and even higher. It might go to 80 and 90, or 700 to 700. I mean, so that's one thing. The second thing is the golden zone Fibonacci. This is another confirmation tool. Another thing is uh, resistance becoming support. So the breakout itself, the highest zone where the liquidity was swept, that area by itself, it can act as a support um, zone as well. All right. So far it's going well. Let's see if it will touch the 50% Fibonacci. All right, it's running already 40 pips. So I hope, guys, you move your stop loss to break even, and maybe you collected some profit here. So get ready, guys. Get ready. The moment we see some rejection, we enter buy. Okay, guys, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Stop loss is 56, huh? Anyone in this trade, please. All right, premium members, get ready. I'm going to craft the signal for you right now. So anyone who didn't enter yet, you can just follow this signal. Premium, who didn't enter yet, you can enter. You are even in a better position than me. Okay. All right, Premium, I sent you the signal already. You check. Keep in mind, our premium channel is also free. Everything we offer here is free and it's for education purposes. So you do your own analysis and you decide. So it's not financial advice. This is a disclaimer. But anyone who has been in our free signals, you can find the link in the bio. Anyone who has been to our signals, you can see our statistics for over a year, which is over 80% accurate. We had amazing year last year, and we are hoping to do the same as well this time. Okay, guys, it's running over 20 pips. You can close the higher layer and break even the lower layer at 61. If you enter at 61 or 60, if you manage to enter at 60, close the one at 62 and keep the one at 60 or 61. So we have risk-free trade again. So we took a sell initially from 66 to 68. We got 50 pips. Now we are on buy right now. We are on buy. So gold you can buy right now. The signals, the details of the signals, you can find it in my bio. So guys who are on TikTok, I cannot show you the screen here, so they will not close my account. But if you want to join us live, you can find the link in bio and you can join us live on YouTube. So the previous setup and this setup, it's very simple, like it's not complicated. Anyone with basic smart money concept can do this one. All right. So you mark your area of interest. You mark the block orders. So we have 1 hour block order at the area where we took the sell from at 66, 67. You mark that one. And this is an area of interest where the price might be rejected. And you can collect 40, 50 pips from there. And because we have a breakout that happened earlier, we know that it created fair value gap block order at the engulfing candle that had happened earlier. So the price has to go back to the same area to fill these orders, to fill the fair value gap, and then continue up, target all the liquidity up at 2670. So we took a nice sell. Now we are on another buy, which we secure already our entry and it's risk free. Might go down, yes, but we will still go out with some little profit. If it doesn't hit our break even, we can run with this uh, trade up to maybe 100 pips if there is some liquidity injection at this point. So we'll see. Um, so in trading view, I don't have these indicators. I have an extra tools. I have extra indicators that I use in MT4 only. And that is volume profile, delta, accumulative volume, and the book map. Why I use these tools? First of all, I can see the limit orders using the book map. I can see all the limit orders and the profile or volume profile. I can see all the high and the low of the traded volume during the day. So where is the highest amount of volume was traded? And that's where you have a smaller point of control. And point of control is also another good tool. VWAP, another tool, which is like you use it in combination to have extra confluences for any strategy. Basically, use you are ICT trader or you are a smart money concept trader. It doesn't matter. These are very basic things. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can identify those areas. You just need a good way on how to monetize these tools that you have, like the Fibonacci, for example. Fibonacci tool, you must know how to draw it like properly. For example, what's the difference between like regular trader and professional trader? Only how to use the tools, but there is no much difference. And when you properly know how to use your tools, you have the confidence and you have the knowledge of block orders. Where are the area of interest? Do we have an engulfing candle here? Do we have an area of interest that I can mark out? And based on all of these like things, combination of things, you can create a beautiful strategy where you can have a proper entry, have a proper exit without the anxiety, without the becoming nervous that should I leave the market right now, or should I stay in the trade, uh, or should I take my profit now? No, you just map out your area of interest. Find out where is your entry, find out where is your exit, have a stop loss, proper stop loss. Check where is the area of liquidity. Area of liquidity is simple: the high and the low, the high and the low of the session, either previous session or this session. It doesn't matter. It's the high or the low. You have the high or the low of previous session, previous day, or swing high and swing day. Go to the high time frame and mark those areas where the price might swing to those areas and sweep all that liquidity. So that's your take profit. Take profit is the area of liquidity itself. So you have a proper entry where you have rejection, because now you have like like this entry for buy, for example, like the one we took right now, because it's a resistance become support. It match also with the golden zone of Fibonacci. It match that the price action has made a breakout earlier, and now it's retesting the zone. That breakout, the sudden breakout and the sudden movement, that engulfing candle created fair value gap and a block order where you have kind of protection for your entry. So the fair value gap and the block order created by the sudden movement, which went up and did that breakout and sweep the liquidity of Asian session. Okay, that that entry or that block order and fair value gap created from this movement, it is itself, it is your area of protection. So now the price is moving towards our first TP. First TP is 64. So it I believe we will hit our TP, and then now you have around 40 pips already because the price moved from our entry. The second entry that we had is at 60.5 or 61. So you're running around 30 pips right now. Okay, beautifully. We will smash TP1 soon. We will smash TP1 soon. And the guys who are in the real world in the Facebook group, so you get the signals fast. Be sure you are on the Telegram channel so you get the signals much faster. Okay. Almost there, almost there. We will hit TP1. So this whole trading, guys, it's patience. It's a lot of waiting. Okay, so you keep yourself busy with doing other stuff. Otherwise, like you will make some stupid decisions, like keep your stop loss there, keep your take profit there already, and just keep watching, and maybe you do something else like on the side. You don't have to monitor for like 10 hours or some shit. Just be there, watch it from time to time and have a look at it. Adjust something if you need to, take some partials. The most important thing, you monitor the first movement to the first 20 pips. As long as it goes like 20 pips, move your stop loss into profit, break even, and now you have a risk-free trade. Then you don't need to worry about it at all. Drop in the live chat, drop some comments. If you have any question you want to ask me, you can drop in the live chat. I will answer you. If you want me to analyze some other instrument beside gold, I will do that as well. But my main focus is gold, Euro USD. I do sometimes US 30 and Nasdaq. and those like are the instruments which move and give you the highest amount of returns in a very short time. Like if you are a day trader, those are the instruments that have high volatility and you can trade them every day and collect a good amount of money. So I prefer to do layering when I do a trade. I prefer to do layering. I always layer like 2 or 3 layers in a trade. Why? So I don't have that rush to close my whole entry, you know. So if you have one position, like you have that mind, like the price might come back, okay, it hit your break even or like hit your stop loss, and then you think, oh, like I closed early or I moved to my stop loss early. So to avoid that, just have multiple entries with the same size. Let's say if your maximum risk is zero point 0.3, okay, just divide it 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. This is what I do. I my maximum risk is zero point 0.3, like on gold, for example. Okay, guys, congratulations. TP smashed. TP1 smashed already, running over 40 pips already. So you can take partial at this point. You can take some partials. I will do the same. And if you prefer to close it completely, that is totally up to you. I mean, you can close it completely if you like, but I would like to hold it till 70. I think it will target the liquidity on the previous session yesterday. So it will take the high of yesterday, but it's already good profit. It's already good profit. Okay, premium. I will update you right now. Okay, real world. I'm sending you updates. Just try to follow the instruction. If you are following our signals, follow the instruction, please. So you will not get some losses. And the reason I do that, like I send you the signal and I go live, so I can monitor with you the trade and I can update you like if the trade is not going well and maybe we can close early or we just maintain the trade and keep running the trade. So I usually at 40 pips I close half. So at 20 pips I break even. At 40 pips I close half and I let the remaining to run to full TP. But this is my preference. It's up to you how you want to manage your profit. Okay. Amazing. So far, everything is going well. So during London session, we smashed full TP on the sell and on the buy. Very beautiful day, very beautiful trade. The trade is still running. My target is 2670. All right, guys. I think this is all for today. I probably go live again in during New York session, so I'll see you there.